Good morning, this is Hayawasi. I'm going to talk about API. This is my application. Basically, I have chosen the REST country API. These are my files over here, and this is my main application. This is my main.py. Over here, basically, I have used print if there are any errors over here, and where how to work on Windows, Mac. And when it comes for errors, like for example, if the API doesn't run properly, if the dependency checker doesn't work, it will show the error over here. It will show fail to start the application. This is my requirement.txt. These are two files that I have installed: pip install request and pip install below. Yes, these are test.py file. This is over here I have uploaded the URL of the API, and also have given the buttons such as name, country, capital, name, country, capital, currency, region. And I also have the connection of these buttons with the search bar, so when the user tries to search it, they can search it. Here's my country.py. So I have an object-oriented programming over here. So basically, I have given functionality to all the buttons over here, so it can run properly. It gives no errors to the user. These are the functionality over here, and this is my API client. So over here, this is about the handling of errors. If the code crashes or it doesn't load anything, it will show the 400 bad request error. Over here, this for image loader. I have not added all the pictures over here. I have used an image loader to upload the image, automatically generate the image from the API itself. And this is my app.py. I have imported tkinter over here, the API client import over here, image loader over here. So where I had all the headers, the search control bar, the content buttons where the user can click and search over here. And I have also added a scroll logic, so when the user wants to scroll down, they can scroll down from here. And this is the config.py. This is the UI of the application, the colors, the way of organizing. And also I have used a split screen for the code, for the way it organizes. So yeah, so and I've also using the functionality of image loader and immediate load. I've added these two. Let me run and show you the application. This is the application over here. Let's suppose we search for Canada. So there's the country over here, the country details, and the flag over here. Let's clear this out and search the capital over here. Let's search Islamabad. This is basically the capital of Pakistan. Let's see if it comes. Yes, the capital came. This is how you do with the language. Let's see. Let's do English. English. These are all the countries with English language. It will take few minutes to load all the flags and the countries, then the API will work fine. Yes, these are all the flags. Over here you can scroll down. It will take few minutes because it's fetching the code from the API, but it scrolls properly once it's done loading all the countries. Same with currency and code. Let's go for the continent bar. When you search the continent, like for example, let's go for America. So basically America is for like North and South America is over here. These are all the countries in North and South America, and the flags. As you can see, the same thing. You can scroll down and check. You can search for other continents over here. For example, let's go for Oceania, Oceania. Sometimes it gives the bad request error because yeah, this lagging happens because it is loading a lot of countries over here. It takes few seconds before it shows the final result. You have to wait for a while over here. I've clicked twice, so it's coming like this. You have to wait a few seconds. I did use image load functionality, but it also depends on your internet connection. The code comes like this. Yeah, it will take a few seconds. I think I have clicked on it like a few times. It should come when you click on it. Let's reload it because sometimes it takes time. Like you have to restart. Like when you click on it a few times, it just lags. It gives an error later on. The code will crash. So for it better, let's reload the whole code. Let's rerun it. Let's see. Yeah, so there's Oceania. Yeah, it will come. So basically in my app it works perfectly, but as you can see, it takes few minutes because there are a lot of countries, a lot of flags to load from the API. So it takes time. If you like keep on clicking on the other continents or the other buttons, it will lag, and then you have to restart again. Like you have to close the application and run it again. So this is my application, and thank you.